बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अमरीकी की एक खातून है, उसकी वीडियो वायरल हो रही है। वो एक चर्च फ़ोन करती है और बताती है कि मेरा बच्चा है, एक दो दिन से उसने कुछ खाया नहीं है, उसके लिए खुराक नहीं है, तो आप मेरी मदद करें। तो वहाँ से उसको क्या जवाब मिलता है? फिर इस्लामिक सेंटर, कोई सेंटर है, वहाँ फ़ोन करती है और उनसे ये बात करती है, तो उनके तरफ से क्या जवाब मिलता है? तो आइए सुने ज़रा ये।
I'm calling your church to test to see if they would help feed a starving baby. And I had a request to call the Waverly Church of the Nazarene, and this is in Waverly, Tennessee. So we are going to call them and see if they would help feed a starving baby. Cue my baby.
Waverly Church of the Nazarene.
Hi, yes. I was wanting to see if you could help at all. I have a 2-month-old baby, and I ran out of formula last night. So we've been going all day and all night without formula. I was wanting to see if y'all could help at all.
Well, we support Helping Hands, the food pantry. Have you talked with them at all?
Yeah, I've been calling everywhere. Yeah, I've been calling everywhere.
What?
I've been calling everywhere. They're telling me to call local churches.
Well, did you go to Helping Hands? Because they're open this afternoon from 4:30 to 6. They usually have some type of thing there, some sort of formulas there.
Yeah, I've already tried. I think because everybody lost their SNAP benefits, nobody's really been able to help that much.
Okay, say that again. I'm sorry.
I don't know if it's like because of SNAP or whatever, but like nobody has anything to help.
Okay. Well, and we don't have anything either. So I'm sorry. I wish I had something to offer you. Is there any? I don't know if anything Human Services. I don't know if there's anything they're able to do, or the health department. I don't. Those would be two other places I would suggest to try.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.
This is the Islamic Center that was calling back in. So hold on. let's go for it. They called me back. The Islamic Center of Charlotte just called back. Let me get my baby.
Islamic Center of Charlotte, what would it be?
Hi, yes. I was trying to call. I have a 2-month-old baby, and I ran out of formula last night, and I was wanting to see if there's any way you all could help with a can of baby formula.
We can, ma'am. Where do you live? Do you live in Charlotte?
Yes, I'm like 10 minutes from you all.
Okay. And what kind of formula you do?
It's the Good Start.
Good Start. Yeah, that's fine, ma'am. If you come over here, we'll help you.
Okay. Hold on just 1 second, okay? Okay, I'm actually doing a social experiment. So I don't have a baby and I don't have a need, but I am doing a social experiment just to see which churches would actually help a starving baby. And unfortunately, there's so many that say no, and you immediately was like, yes, of course. And I just wanted to say thank you so much.
तो जी आपने सुन लिया कि चर्च वाले माजरत कर लेते हैं और मुसलमान उससे पूछते हैं कि आप कहाँ रहती है और आपको कौन सी खुराक चाहिए। तो देखिए, इस्लाम इस चीज़ का हुक्म देता है कि सबके साथ तावन करो और इंसानियत की खिदमत करो। अगर आपके बस में है, आपकी ताकत में है, तो आप ज़रूर दूसरे के साथ तावन करें और इस पर अल्लाह का शुक्र अदा करें कि अल्लाह ताला ने हमें इस्लाम जैसी अज़ीम नियामत से सरफराज फरमाया है। और मज़ीद भी दुआ करते रहें कि हम इस पर मुकम्मल अमल कर सकें और इसके मुताबिक अपनी ज़िंदगी गुजार सकें। बस अल्लाह ताला से दुआ है कि अल्लाह ताला हम सबको दीन इस्लाम समझने और दीन इस्लाम के मुवाफिक अमल करने की तौफीक अता फरमाएँ। आमीन सुम्मा आमीन या रब्बल आलमीन।